Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 9.1 from chapter 9, which is area of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, so what is parallel lines? Hope you know. These are parallel lines. Means if you will go this side and this side, it will never touch. These two lines will never cross each other. So these are parallel lines. Okay, so what is question number 1? Which of the following figures lie on the same base? Same base means if we think about this is our base. So in this base only some any quadrilateral or any triangle will draw with the same base. Like if we will draw one triangle on the same base, it will be like that. Means base should be same. In such a case, write the common base and the two parallels. Parallel also means this should be like there are two parallels. So this end point should touch the parallel. If we have one quadrilateral, so base should be this only. So like that also. So this quadrilateral lie on the same base and same parallel. So that type of picture we have to find out. Okay. Now let's see one by one. See here, first one. Base. You can see this is common base for this triangle and this quadrilateral. Correct? So base is common. So we have to write common base also. So common base is DC. Okay. And parallel also. Now see. AB is parallel to DC and you can see ABCD and PDC lie on the same parallel. See, P is also here and AB is this. So this, if we will focus this two parallel, so this triangle or point P lie on this line AB which is parallel to DC. Means if you will they will ask about the parallels. So AB and DC are two parallels and DC is the common in both this triangle PDC and quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. Now in picture second, see we have one common base SR because in this SR this is MN. Okay. So we have common base for this quadrilateral MNRS and PQRS. And we have two parallels PQ and SR. But this MN is not lying on that PQ. So this is not the correct picture. Because they are telling find the picture on the same base and between the same parallel. Here same base is there but not same parallel. Okay, so this is not the answer for this question. Okay, now the third one. See the base QR. QR is common for both this triangle TQR and this quadrilateral PQRS. So QR is base which is common and parallel. See QR is parallel to PS and also T lies on that line PS. As same here, this is just like it's moving this side 90 degree anti-clockwise. Correct? So this picture will be like that. So QR is the base and parallels. What are the parallels? PS and QR. Got it? Now question number 4. We have to find first same base. I can't see any same base because see if we will see this triangle PQR, the base of this triangle is PQ and the base of this quadrilateral ABCD is what? BC. Means not same base. So this should not be the answer. Okay. Now in this what is the common base? This AD. Let's see. This is common base. And parallels, what are the parallels? AD and BC. Now see this triangle ADCP. This triangle P and C lie on that PQ. Even if we can see key BQ parallel to AD and ABD QD is a quadrilateral, means base will be, common base will be AD and parallels will be BQ and what, AD. Correct? Now the fourth one, common base. Here you can see they are just parallel lines, this. Correct? We can't see any common base. Just like this, this one triangle is drawn on the same base, so we can't see any this type of scenario in this picture. So this will not be the answer. Hope it's clear for you. If you have any doubt, you can write your comment in the comment section. Also, please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.